Thank you for joining us again on our Dentox 1-minute tip of the day. Now, I bet you think that you can only treat chins with a filler material. In other words, if somebody has a deficient chin, the treatment, if you're going to be using an injectable, is to inject material against the bone. And by the way, if you don't know how to do that, you need to join us one day on our Dentox filler program. But there are other things that can make the chin look stronger than it really is. Typically, when we see somebody with a recessive chin, the patient ends up with a very deep, what we call a labiomental crease. So what happens is a hypertonic mentalis muscle, the muscle of the chin, because the bone is undersized, holds the skin very tight against the chin, and the patient ends up with a deep labiomental crease. So by relaxing the mentalis muscle, the chin muscle, remember the chin muscle pushes, the mentalis muscle pushes the chin upwards, and the depressor angularis muscle pulls the corner of the mouth downwards. So if we only inject the mentalis muscle, we will relax that muscle that forms that deep crease and makes the chin look smaller, and we can actually create the illusion that the chin is not as recessive as it actually is. Thank you for joining us again, and we'll show you a lot more tips if you come to one of our programs where we cover hundreds of tips just like that. Again, thank you for joining us.